Hello, we will provide a brief demonstration on how to use the generated EDZ macro from the data portal configurator. To ensure clear understanding, we have created an example project with power and control schematics. In this schematic, the variable frequency drive is missing. So, we will import the VFD macro that has already been generated and imported from the data portal configurator. Using the insert device option, we will add the VFD macro to the schematic. What is selected, we can also get the technical informations which are applicable to the product selector. Under the certification field, we can get the UL file certification number. Under the data field, we can get the connection point patterns and the schematic macro which are linked to the particular port. And from the document field, we can get the hyperlink for the datasheet which is applicable for the product selector. From the general tab, we can also see the detailed description of the particular port selector. Also, the order number, the port number of the selected port can be obtained. With respect to design data, we can get the overall dimension of the product and also the 3D macro which are attached to the port. Another important feature is like the mounting clearance which is required to avoid the collision with other components. And the technical data like voltage, also the maximum power dissipation or fed over technical data field. Also, the required function templates are generated and it reflects over the function template fields. And finally, we have the drilling point patterns attached under the manufacturing field. Port is now imported to the project. The schematic also kept in place. The schematic comprises of the power terminals, including line input terminals and motor output terminals, along with DC and brake terminals. Also, the 24-volt external supply, the communication interfaces, and the functional safety I/O terminals also provided. Last, we have the detailed digital input-output terminals and analog input-output terminals along with the relay output connections. And ensuring all connections are properly made with the other devices. Next, we need to verify the 3D model. We will open the layout space and access the pre-designed cabinet assembly. Similar to the schematic, the VFD is missing from the assembly, but we can quickly add it by dragging and dropping the required device tag from the navigator. Now the 3D model is into the project. Now we can verify the connection point patterns. The connection points are enabled and we can get the connection point data for each and every connections, like what is the coordinates, XYZ positions, and what is the connection category for each and every connections, and what are the minimum and maximum cross section of the cables, and the socket size details, and how much tightening torque to be provided, and also the stripping length. So now can clearly see the connection point directions. So now we can also refer the drilling point patterns. So the drilling point is enabled. Also we can see the mounting plates having lot of dots, which is nothing but the drilling points highlighted in the orange color. and then verify the routing of the complete assembly. All are working properly, as you can see. We have confirmed that both the electrical and mechanical designs are working properly. Now we can generate the project report using the predefined report settings. Reports are in place now on all set code. Thank you.